Morning traders, Nick Mastrandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias report for Friday, August 30th. It's 5:30 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia closed pretty much to the upside with the exception of Nikkei and Singapore exchanges. Currently right now in Europe, and this just changed in the last 10 to 15 minutes. Europe earlier this morning was trading higher and is now trading lower, and I suspect the reason for that is because of the UK ruling that they're not getting involved in the Syria situation. So in essence, that's kind of the Syria news is really driving the markets every which way but loose. In terms of market correlation as it stands, currently right now, the US dollar is going in and out of positive territory. It's been doing that all day. All right, energies, in terms of crude, is trading down at the present time. Financials in terms of bonds are trading down. Indices basically are trading higher. So at first glance, this looks very positive for the markets. Metals in terms of gold is trading down. Now in terms of economic news that we have today, and actually for the U.S. markets we do have quite a bit. We have core price index, personal spending, personal income. We've got an FOMC member speaking at 9 a.m. We also have Chicago PMI. And Chicago PMI I perceive to be major. Also personal spending and personal income, I would also perceive that to be major as well. The revised numbers for University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations I do not consider to be major. These are revised numbers. They are not first round numbers. Typically revised numbers don't have the same kind of impact. Basically our bias is neutral today. At first glance it would appear as though the markets are poised to go higher. The US dollar is trading down. The bonds are trading down. That's always considered to be bullish. But the thing that I don't like is the fact that gold is dropping the way it is. The Syria situation is not concluded, and that doesn't rest very well with me. So my bias is neutral. The other thing that comes to my mind is this is the last full session before a major holiday in the U.S. And quite frankly, what I expect to see is a very hectic morning. But I also expect that come afternoon, particularly after lunchtime, that's going to pretty much dry up. I think people are going to be heading for the exits to start the holiday weekend off early. So the markets today could be driven in any particular direction. And that's why we're maintaining a neutral bias. Could this change? Absolutely. These reports could change market direction. So you need to be mindful of that. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to next time with you. And have a great Labor Day holiday.